Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in our previous video, we created like a our account, right? In the Thunkable for your app development. Now in this video, we will see how you will create a project. Okay. So once you will log in into the Thunkable, you will get a same screen. Over here, you need to just click on create new app. Once you will click on that, it will ask you two things. You have to write your project name and you have to select your category. So you can write your project any name as your project name. Suppose I want to write test. So here test is my project name. And here you can select any category. Even you can select more than one category also. So for example, I want to select this education. Now over here, you will get one check button. So you have to uncheck this if you want to launch this application to your Play Store or into your Apple Store. Okay. So this is like a drag and drop builder. So if you will uncheck this, so you will get that feature. And we need to just click on the create button. So this is very simple step how you will create a project into the Thunkable. Okay. After that, we will see the next part. Okay. So over here, whatever component you want for your project, you will get all your component from here, which is your add component window. Okay. So in the add component window, you will get all the components like a button, like the label. And over here, as you can see, this looks like your mobile phone, but this is called a screen. Okay, what is this? This is your screen. And this is your add component window. And after that, suppose if you want to change a background color or you want to attach any picture, means whatever decoration you want for your project in the design, you will get all the things in your property window. So this is called as property window. So now let's start to create our project. Okay. So today we are going to create one very simple thing. Okay. Suppose first I want to change a background color of the screen. You need to just click on background color over here, and whatever color you want, you can select according to that. Okay. According to your choice, whatever color you want, you can select. Suppose I want to use this green color. In the green also, if you want to add any shades, even you can do that. Okay. After that, whatever component you want for your project, you can just drag and drop it here. Suppose I want to add one button. So you need to just drag from here, from your component window, and you will drop it here onto your screen. Okay. So here you will get a button. But in the button, as you can see, we have a text as a button. If you want, you can add some text also. So here we have to remove the text. So what we want to add? We want to add Code for Kids, which is our channel name. Okay, Code for Kids. So instead of this, if you want, you can add like a YouTube, you can add Facebook, whatever you want, you can add here. Whatever text color you want, according to your choice, you can add the text color also. See, after that, if you want to change your background color, so you need to just click on this background color. Whatever is your favorite color, you can select. So I want to add white color. So as you can see, here we have one button. What is my button name? Which is Code for Kids. Okay. This is our channel name. Okay. So now as you can see, this is your design part. You have to add some code here. How you will do that? So in your left side, we have a two things. We have a design and we have a blocks. So once you will click on the block, you will get one another screen. In the design, as you can see, you have your design part. Okay, but in the block you will get your coding part. Okay, so over here what we want like when you click on code for kids button, that will redirect me my YouTube channel. Okay, so here what you have to do, you need to first click on the button, which is the third last option. So once button is clicked, where you will get that, this, when button is clicked. So what we want to move to our channel, right? So we need to just go to the control, which is your orange color, scroll down, you will get open link. But as you can see, by default, what we have here, we have thunkable.com, but we want to move to Code for Kids. So what you have to do, you need to just go to your Google. You have to search for YouTube. Over here, we will open the YouTube. Now you need to just search for our channel, which is Code for Kids. You have to just write Code for Kids. Press your enter button. You will get. So this is our channel. So here, whatever link you want, you can give. Suppose I want to give my channel link. So you need to just click on copy, come to your project. Instead of this link, we will put our channel link. Okay. So as you can see, this is very simple. Now how you will test your project. So this is very most important part. How you will test your project. You need to just click on live test. This one. You will get your project here. So as you can see, we have Code for Kids. Now when I click on Code for Kids, that will redirect me to the channel. Okay. So over here, you can access our Scratch playlist. You can access our, which is game development and app development also. And again, if you will come here, you will get this. Okay. So in this way, you can create your first project. Okay. So till that, like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.